Alright guys, it is 12:59 here, June 15th, Tuesday. We got 2020 Select Hybrid Football, 8-box break number 1. These are just loose boxes that we purchased, so this isn't from any specific case. So it's a good chance that, there could be multiple autos, or, we just don't know until we open the boxes, but it's a good chance for you guys at a lower price point to get some good cards of the 2020 class still, before we get to the majority of the 2021 coming out here. So there was your list of the teams you guys purchased, and here's our 8 boxes. And all 7 in this one here. We'll go through this one at a time. Of course, usual. 4 packs in each box. So we're going to start off here. Got Jordan Love, Kyler Murray, Michael Thomas, and you got Tyler Johnson as our blue disco auto, or not auto, parallel, 25/25. So nice little number there on that Tyler Johnson. Cortland Sutton and Winfield. And I'm handing these all off to my partner here who is sleeving and top loading the cards for you, just in case you're wondering. Jordan Fuller, Minshew, Henderson, and we got a red Patrick Mahomes. So there you go, Chiefs. Red disco, that's 3/49, so that's a nice little number there for that Mahomes for the Chiefs. Gabriel Davis, and we got a silver DeAndre Swift. Patrick Queen, Darnold, P. Ryan, and we got a KJ Hamler, and that one's not numbered, just your concourse level disco on that. Hamler and Nick Chubb. Got Josh Allen, Josh Kelly, Cam Newton, and Mitch Trubisky. There you go. Not numbered, but there you go. All right, buddy. I appreciate that. Got Elliott, and our silver is Josh Kelly. So at the beginning I saw the logo. I was like, oh, man, maybe that's a Herbert, but it just ended up being Josh Kelly, unfortunately. So that was the first box. All right, box 2, we got McFarland, TJ Watt, Isaiah Wilson, and we got a red Jalen Reagor for the Eagles there. 2/49, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Got LT and DeAndre Hopkins. Khalil Mack, Ayuk, Kirk Cousins, and there's a Dak Prescott, not numbered. And right behind that, we got a Tom Brady, nice one there. And the silver is J.K. Dobbins, the Ravens. And that one is field level. The Raiders got Damon Arnett. There's a Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Gonzalez. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I guess these ones on these are numbered the field level, or just the base disco or whatever. L'Jarius Sneed and Amari Cooper. There's a Clyde rookie. Aaron Rodgers. Zach Moss. And here's a nice one. Kuechly Black. Boom. 101. There you go, Panthers. Said you just paid for him? Well, here's yourself a Luke Kuechly 101. Nice one there for you, buddy. J.J. Watt. And then we got an Odell silver for the Browns. That was box 2. There's box 3. Got Derek Brown for the Panthers. Tua, rookie. Nice one there for the Dolphins. Followed up by a Hurts. And we got DeAndre Swift. Again, I don't think, not numbered. Club level on that one. Derek Brown and Tony Gonzalez for the Falcons. Start off with a Mike Evans for the Bucks. Keyshawn Vaughn, also for the Bucks. Phillip Rivers. And we got a Juju Red for the Steelers, and that one's 30 out of 49. There's a Mahomes, and the silver is Kyle Duggar for the Panthers, or Patriots, my bad. There's for the Patriots, Ossie, Henry Ruggs, rookie, Kenneth Murray, and here's a gold. Nice little number probably on that one. Cortland Sutton, 3 out of 10. Very nice. I guess I don't know if that's gold or orange, but looks more of like an orange, I guess. 3 out of 10. Carson Wentz and Keyshawn Vaughn. Pittman, Jerry Rice, Duvernay for the Ravens. You got a Drew Lock base disco there for the Broncos. Henry Ruggs, rookie. And there's a Clyde silver for the Chiefs. There you go. Very nice on that one. We got Tyler Johnson for the Bucks, A.J. Brown for the Titans, another Tom Brady, Jordan Brooks, not numbered, for the Seahawks. We got Tommy Stevens, rookie, and there's a silver Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. So Panthers doing decent, club level. Van Jefferson, Palomalo, Brady again, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Jesus, Chiefs. He's been all over this break, and that one's 4 out of 49. 4 out of 49 for the Chiefs. Komet and Brett Favre. Got Jake Luton, Jerry Jeudy, Thielen. Wow, look at this shit right here. Joe Burrow. 4 out of 10. Woo! There you go, Bengals. 4 out of 10. Joe Burrow. Look at that beauty. It's a Garoppolo. Derek Brown for the Panthers. So I said at the beginning of the break, guys, you never know with these random breaks like this. Could be some hidden gems. Tyler Johnson. There's a LaMichael Pirine base disco for the Jets. Chenault and Pittman. All right, so that was the first half of the break. Oh, for sure, bud. Peyton, James Robinson, Mike Vrabel, and Patrick Peterson, red. And that's going to be 3 out of 49 for the Cardinals. Darnell Mooney and Kyle Duggar. Chenault, Carson Wentz, Cole Kmet, Ezekiel Elliott for the Cowboys, red, and that's 42 out of 49. Devin Duvernay, and then we got a Jacob Eason silver for the Colts. Jason Moore, Alvin Kamara, Evans, Darrell Taylor, Pittman, and Alex Smith for Washington. Kyler Murray, Haskins, Denzel Mims, and here's a nice one for Washington. Chase Young, blue. Nice one there, and that's 11 out of 25, so nice little number on that one. Kyler Murray, and then your silver is Brian Edwards. Marlon Davidson, Jonathan Taylor, Matthew Stafford. There's a Gabriel Davis for the Bills, John Elway, and then Joe Montana silver for the 49ers. Yeah, it's been doing pretty good so far. Definitely a nice break here. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles, Russell Wilson, and Jefferson. See another gold-looking card there coming up. See who it is. Ayuk, Kirk Cousins, and you got Russell Wilson. Nice. It's a decent one. 2 out of 10 at that. So very nice. That's nope. 1 off his jersey number. Not bad. And there's another 2 of rookie. Nice one. And the Bills, Jake Fromm. Your Bills. Damon Arnett. Jalen Hurts. Another Jalen Hurts. David Johnson. Got Gandy Golden right here for Washington. 34 out of 49 on that one. Derek Brown and Josiah DeGuara, whatever that's pronounced. Yep, this break's been good so far for sure. James Robinson. There's a Burrow, rookie, Joe Burrow, for the Bengals. Dobbins. And here you go, Bengals. T. Higgins. Red. Decent one, 10 out of 49 on the Higgins. Chazon and Dobbins for the Ravens. You got Carson Wentz, Cole Kmet, Peyton Manning, and for the Bucks, Tyler Johnson. That's green. That one's 3 out of 5. So very nice little number on that bad boy. 3 out of 5, Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Zach Moss and a silver, Josh Kelly. Kamara, Chenault, Grant Delpit. You got Harrison Bryant for the Browns, 48 out of 49. Clyde and Randy Moss. Yeah, they sure are. Denzel Mims, Haskins, Jason Moore. There's a Travis Kelce. Nice one. I'll take those. Not numbered. Trayvon Diggs. And a silver, Larry Fitzgerald. Alright guys, last box coming up here. If you haven't hit anything yet, hopefully we can get you something in this one. Gibson, J.J. Watt, Jacob Eason, Malik Taylor for the Packers, Patrick Willis, and Josh Jacobs. Ben DiNucci, CeeDee Lamb, Drew Brees, and you got Jerry Rice for the Raiders, 2/49. Aaron Rodgers and Chase Young silver. So there you go, Washington. Nice one on that one. All right, last two packs here, guys. Montana, Ryan Tannehill, and it looks like another gold peeking through. Tristan Wirfs, and we got Tyler Bass for the Bills. So 2/10, getting some kicker action on that one, and that's his jersey number. There's that Tyler Bass that everybody's been chasing. Jalen Johnson and Jonathan Taylor. And we're going to start off. Yep, you did call it, brother. You got your gold. Tua silver, or there's a Tua rookie, not a silver. Lamar, Jefferson. Odell is our sparkle. Witten, and we're going to end it with a Chase Claypool silver for the Steelers. All right, guys, really appreciate you guys checking this out. We got impeccable basketball coming up the next couple of days, so be sure to check that one out if you're interested. And if not, we will see you in the next football, which shouldn't be too far away. And have a good rest of your day, guys.